Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abe Jacobs, and on today's update video I want to show you guys the verification process of the Humanity Protocol airdrop. But before I get into this content, I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Now, I've shared this particular update on my channel way long since back before. So right now, the KYC or the human verification right now is about to start, and I want to show you guys how you can do this right now. Now, right now, about an hour ago, the team announced that the Humanity app is finally here and no codes is needed anymore. They've removed the code feature. So right now, all you have to do is do a simple human verification. Now, the way you can do this first is by downloading the application. Right now, the application is only available for Android and the iOS version is coming very soon. But if you are new to this particular airdrop update, if you are watching this for the first time, feel free to join through the description link. The link will be provided in the description box. So if you are interested in farming this project, as you are watching this particular video, make sure you go through that link as well and you start doing this as soon as possible. So guys, let me show you the verification process right now. So guys, the first thing you are going to do is that you are going to download this app called Humanity from your Play Store. Please, this is just for Android users only. When the iOS version comes later on, I'm going to update you guys. But for the Android users, go to your Google Play Store, download the Humanity Protocol app. Then when you click on the app, you are going to select your login or your sign up, but you are going to pick the button that is there. Now guys, after you've been able to log in and you have your dashboard looking like this, you are going to come down right here to where you have the Humanity app verification. I've been able to do mine already, but you guys don't have to worry. It's a very simple process. And once you've gotten here, yours here is going to say verify. So all you have to do is click on verify. Now guys, once you click on verify, it's going to bring this particular prompt for you, continue in app. So you are going to click on continue in app. It's going to divert you back to your humanity application. Then after that, it's going to show this particular display, are you human? So you are going to come right here and you are going to slide to confirm. So guys, this is where the real verification is going to start from. You are going to make use of a well-lit environment. So if you want to do this verification, I will advise you to do it during the daytime or you do it in a very lit up environment. So now, the point of this verification is that you are going to be making hand gestures with your screen. So you are going to put yourself in front of your phone's camera and then you are going to follow the gestures. It's going to tell you to put your hands in a sort of way, and from there the camera is going to pick it up, and then after the whole process has been done, you are going to do it for the left hand, rather you are going to do it for the right hand first, and then you are going to do it for the left hand as well. So all you have to do is a very simple process. Follow those particular gestures, and once you've been able to do that successfully, it's going to tell you that your palms has been successfully enrolled. It is as simple as ABC. It's a very simple verification. All you have to do is just follow the gestures on the screens and then you get it right, and that is all you are doing. Now once you've been able to complete the verification, you come back to your Humanity Protocol dashboard, which is your account. Then you are going to come down here to see that your verification has been done successfully. It's going to change to verified. So that is it for this particular video, guys. If you are interested in farming this airdrop once more, the link is going to be in the description box, so make sure you click on that link and start farming this project. Connect all your social accounts and start farming this every day until the TGE update comes later. So guys, any updates later I see on this, I'll be posting it in my Telegram channel. So as you are watching this video, make sure you also join our Telegram channel so you can get airdrop alphas and also the crypto trading space information as well. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.